Hello everyone, welcome to ValueSTek. Today we are going to show you the whiteboard software on the ValueHub e-series. First, the writing tools. It supports 5 different kinds of pen and a variety of colors. Meanwhile, a pen with different size can write in different colors, like this, the thinner point, and this is thicker point. And you can use your palm as eraser, or choose the eraser to select and leave. Some math tools can be found here, like the ruler and the compass. When you draw, the lens will show here. When medical students come for a class test, you can split this screen into up to 4 smaller screens. During some lessons, we may need some graphics like the 3D shape and the 2D shape. You can customize the color of it. One thing it should be mentioned is that we have this smart model, which means the shape I draw will be transformed into a standard shape. A smart table is available here. It will adjust the cell according to your handwriting. You can open a browser for the online search or check some site. And you can add the tag here for quick browsing. For brainstorm, you can use the mind map. To list your ideas clearly. In terms of class management, every teacher will need a notification board. Therefore, we have a sticky notes. Let's put in some words, and it will go to the corner and remind the students and the whole class. Also, it has built-in some teaching materials, like the star and the periodic. Okay, finally, let's go to the menu setting. You can import some teaching materials like the image PDF, or you can export your content into different formats here, and also can be saved into the Google Drive. Or you can use your device to scan a QR code. So you can visit all this content in your device. Thanks for your watching today. If you want to know more details, contact us.